Toyota versus Mercedes-Benz. Which one is better? Let's break it down. We're not just going to say Toyota is better than Mercedes or the other way around. Let us work with facts, comparing both brands category by category. Number 1. Reliability and maintenance. Toyota and Lexus, same bloodline. They are the kings of durability. They're built to last, with minimal electronic faults. Mercedes-Benz, a high-tech, premium German machine. Stunning design and incredible engineering, but is it as reliable? Toyota is built for all terrains, all climates. Whether it's extreme heat, rough roads, or wet conditions, it handles it. Mercedes, on the other hand, isn't as forgiving. One fault, and you're in for electrical gymnastics. Not because it's bad, but because it's complex. 2. Parts and diagnostics. With Toyota and Lexus, parts are affordable, easy to find, and repairs are straightforward. Mercedes, completely different story. Imagine programming a key for Mercedes-Benz. You are locked out. You'll need special tools, software access, and special training to get it right. You can't just open a shop and start working on a Mercedes-Benz. Without deep knowledge, you're stuck. 3. Driving experience. Toyota and Lexus offer refined comfort, strong off-road capability, and reliable performance in tough environments. Mercedes-Benz delivers a premium, powerful drive, smooth on highways, engineered for comfort. But in some terrains, especially in Africa or developing countries, that same engineering can be too sensitive and might not be rugged enough for rough roads. 4. Performance. Let's talk raw performance. Mercedes-Benz has the edge here, especially with their AMG division. Turbocharged engines, high torque, advanced suspension systems. It's built for power and speed. Whether it's the C63, E-Class, or GLE 63S, the performance is aggressive and refined. You feel it when you step on the gas. Mercedes doesn't just move, it roars. Toyota and Lexus? More conservative in performance. Yes, Lexus F models, like the RCF or LS 500 pack power, but they're tuned for smoothness and control, not raw aggression. In this round, Mercedes clears. Toyota is focused on efficiency, off-road strength, and endurance, not necessarily lap times. So in terms of speed, handling, and sportiness, Mercedes wins. 5. Luxury. This one's close, but the approach is different. Mercedes-Benz is the definition of traditional luxury: ambient lighting, high-end materials, massage seats, digital dashboards. The cabin feels like a tech-forward lounge. Every detail screams sophistication. From the S-Class to the Maybach, luxury is part of the DNA. Lexus, the luxury arm of Toyota, takes a more balanced approach. You get quiet cabins, high-quality interiors, smooth rides, and elegance, but with long-term durability. No excessive tech for the sake of flash. Just comfort that lasts. And in some models, like the Lexus LS or LX, you get a luxury feel that rivals German rivals, but without the same maintenance stress. So, Mercedes is bold, futuristic, high-end luxury. Lexus is refined, dependable, understated luxury. In this round, Mercedes edges slightly. 6. Final verdict. What is the best choice? Now, this is the most important part, and I'm not being sentimental here. If you want luxury with simplicity, reliability, and true peace of mind, then Toyota or Lexus is the best choice for you. These cars are built to last, built to handle any terrain, and built to give you years of driving without the stress of constant faults or expensive repairs. But if your focus is on power, speed, cutting-edge tech, and head-turning beauty, then you know where to go. The Mercedes-Benz. Yes, maintenance costs are higher. Yes, you'll need the right technicians. But for many people, that's a small price to pay for what a Mercedes offers. And if you've got the money and access to good hands when things go wrong, then Mercedes-Benz becomes a clear and bold choice. In the end, it's not about which is better overall. It's about what fits you.